Adopt a Pet is brought to you by Sullivan Tire. We're always here to get you there.
Hold on, I still have the chills.
I do, me too. And it's 7:38, and let's check in with Allison Sonfish. She has another beautiful pet who needs a new home. Allison, good morning.
Good morning, Mike and Karen. Today I'm joined by Christina Scala of the Northeast Animal Shelter in Salem, Massachusetts. Good morning, Christina.
Good morning.
And who's this little guy you have today?
This is Dasher.
Tell us about him.
Okay, he's 3 years old and he's a mix of a Chihuahua and a Fox Terrier. He is neutered and he came to us from a rescue shelter in Georgia. And he's a really great dog. He's very friendly and he seems to get along with other animals.
How does he do around children?
We're not too sure about children. He hasn't really been around them.
But other dogs, cats,
he
okay?
seems to be good around dogs. I'm not sure about cats. He loves to sleep in bed with you. You know, he'll sit with you on the couch all night.
He's adorable. He looks like a little fox.
I know, he is a little fox. And they've told me that if you ask him to smile, that he smiles. It hasn't worked for me yet, but maybe that's something we could work on with him.
He makes the cutest little noises.
Yeah, he's adorable.
If folks want to adopt Dasher, where would they go?
Okay, you could go to our website, northeastanimalshelter.org, or you could just go into the shelter and ask about him.
And I know you have a big event coming up you wanted to talk about.
Yep, we're going to be having a community blood drive on Monday, February 8th from 2 to 7 p.m. So if you'd like to donate blood, you can just call and make an appointment, 1-800-RED CROSS, or go to www.redcrossblood.org.
All right, well, thank you so much, Christina.
Thank
we hope
you.
to find a good home for Dasher.
I hope.
I think she should ask him to smile, right?
And if Dasher, will you smile for us?
Smile for the camera.
Oh, look at that.
Oh, yeah.
He tried.
I think we just missed it. All right. Thanks, guys. Adorable dog.
Weather